Hi everyone. Today we are going to see dynamic spring. Take a drawing layer and draw the circle. Now copy paste this drawing layer. See here, I took 5 drawing layers. Now take the peg for each drawing layer. Okay, see here, take a 2-point constraint from node library. Now take 2 pegs and connect to 2-point constraint. Now connect main peg to these 2 pegs. Next connect 2-point constraint to drawing layer. Okay, now select the 2-point constraint, right port peg and adjust the pivot to top of the drawing. Next select the 2-point constraint, left port peg and adjust the pivot to bottom of the drawing. Now see the difference in 3 pegs. Now take the special paste of 2-point constraint along with 2 pegs. Connect the second drawing main peg to 2-point constraint pegs. Next connect the 2-point constraint to second drawing layer. Okay, we have to follow same process for next 3 drawings. Okay, now connect first 2-point constraint to second drawing parent peg. In the same manner, connect all 2-point constraint to next pegs. Okay, now I completed connecting. Now I reduce size of my drawings in a manner to form a tail. Next take dynamic spring from node library and connect to 2-point constraint left port. Now here I am connecting to last child of drawing. After connecting dynamic spring, you can see free motion in the drawing. Okay, in the same manner, you have to add dynamic spring to all drawings. Okay, now I connected. Let's see the output. Here I am filling color in my drawings. Okay guys, here I kept my first drawing as it is and move the next drawings down based on previous drawings. Okay, now see the output of dynamic spring. But you can observe here more stretchable animation in drawings. But I don't want more stretchable animation, so I am going to change the value in dynamic spring. Now you can see the difference in animation. Guys, here I am taking one head and add to this tail, and next I am doing simple animation to this. Okay, here I am taking one master pick to this one. Now I want to move the character using master pick, but when character is moving, the tail has to stable. For that, copy the master peg name and paste in dynamic spring parents name box and give the value in ignore parents as 100. Same thing should be done in other dynamic springs also. Okay, now see, when I move the master peg, the tail is stable. Okay friends, hope you understand how to use dynamic spring. If you have any doubt, write in the comment box, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe friends. Thank you.